All right, so let's do an ls to look at the file again. So we have it here. So what we are going to do next is to filter the reads. So we are going to remove reads with lengths shorter than 1000 BP. So we have the instructions here. Let's go back to the Galaxy page. Yeah, so we are going to use this tool, filtlong. We have already installed it, by the way. So from the instructions here, we have minimum length, that's 1000. So what we are going to do is to run filtlong and then also specify the min length, and then filtlong will remove all reads that have their length shorter than 1000 base pairs. So let's go back to the command line. All right, so we will call filtlong now. So I'll say filtlong, and then I'll say dash dash main underscore length, and I'll say 1000, and then I'll specify the raw file, and then I'll indicate this. So this one, we are going to output this to a file. And I'll say I'll indicate the file name again. So it's dir 187567. Let's just make sure that is it. So we have dir 187567, and then I'll say dot filtered dot skill. So we want to differentiate this new file from the old one. So that is why here I have dot filtered. So the dot filtered is also a description. So even if someone is not involved in the process, once the person sees this name, the person will have an idea that there was some filtering done. So that's why it's good to have a good naming convention. All right, so let's execute this command to filter the reads. All right, filtering has been done. So let's do an ls, and we are going to find that file also here. So this is the new file, the filtered reads.